All right, guys, so we're going to continue the $10 to $100 challenge with the 10% per trade. Okay, so this is going to be the part 2, and then in the part 2 the video is not going to be as long as the part 1, because in the part 1 I was just I was doing the video and explaining to you what I was doing. So in this video right now, I'm just going to do the introduction, and then once I start placing my trades, I'm not going to talk it, I'm not going to say anything, I'm just put some music. Fast forward the video so you can see how I went from 34 bucks to, you know, the amount that I will have at the end of this session. So I don't plan to trade more than 1 hour, so it's 15:39 right now. So hopefully by 16:39 I will have at least 65 bucks in my account. So that being said, we got the spreadsheet right here. Let's continue this journey and let's see how we're gonna make from. We're gonna go from 10 bucks to 100 bucks in, you know, in this case, to All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap the session for today because it's been a little bit over an hour. We start trading at 1540. Okay, so it's 1655. All right, but we managed to make reach 69,677. So I believe that on the next trading session, which will be Monday or Tuesday, we'll be able to reach the $100 because it's getting very, very close to the target. All right, so we were here, so we essentially almost doubled our funds today again. Okay, so hopefully on the third part we're going to be able to secure this challenge. Okay, as you can see, some of the trades were close call, but in real life that's how I trade. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Okay, obviously this is a gamble because we're trading with 10% of our portfolio, but because this is just a way to make fast gains. So yeah, on Monday I will continue the part 3, so hopefully I'll be able to unlock the challenge and reach the goal, which is $100. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.